Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here, and man, it's been a while, right, since our last post. You can see we're in our new kitchen this week. We're super excited about the new house. We got more living space, a bigger kitchen, more room for us to cook and have a good time here while we're cooking. As you can probably see over here, tons of boxes. We are just scratching the surface on getting ourselves moved into the house. But we're happy, we're glad that we're back. So sorry we missed you last week. You know, life happens and we just kind of do the best we can. When we were out eating, we knew we were going to eat out a lot because we just didn't have anywhere to cook. We just tried to do the best we can. And some days got the better of us. I mean, we are human. Other days we're just like, we were actually just hungry for good food. We wanted good, healthy food. And this week we were so glad to be back in the routine and getting back in the routine. It took me a while to get through today because I don't know where Amy put all the stuff. I just had to figure it out. I had a good idea of where she figured it out, where she put it, but it took me a while to get started. Right here, guys, we have got a Bison taco bowl. This Bison taco bowl is just beautiful. Look at all those colors in there. I paired off Amy's meat on the side so she can heat that up and put it over the cold veggies and everything. We have got some black beans, corn, avocado on a bed of spinach along with some cherry tomatoes. I put jalapenos in mine. I put shredded cilantro on top, and then there's a lemon in there that you can just kind of squeeze over the whole thing. But Amy can heat up the meat on the side and pour it over top and enjoy the meal. Of course, you can pair this with any kind of dressing that you like, salsa, hot sauce, maybe some Greek yogurt to really get some kind of dressing in there. Coming over here, we have got a sweet potato patty with a summer slaw, what I'm going to call the end of summer slaw, because we are so done with summer. But look at it, it's beautiful. We've got this summer slaw, which you can make with anything. I've got zucchini, yellow squash, radish, red pepper, some green onion, shredded carrots, but you could put any kind of summer veggies in there. And then I just kept it simple with an oil and vinegar dressing with a little bit of, no, I didn't put lemon juice in there. I just kept it simple with some salt in there. So that was it. So obviously you can put any kind of special vinegar you like in there or a special oil and make it your own. The sweet potato patties got a lot of stuff in there. It's got some white beans along with some nutritional yeast instead of the flour. It gives you a lot of vitamin B. It's fortified with vitamin B12. A lot of good vitamins for vegans in there. And it also just gives a great creamy taste to it. So these are going to be phenomenal. I toasted them or grilled them in the pan with some coconut oil to give them a little extra flavor. Moving over here, we've tried a new dish here. This is what am I going to call it? A tropical mojito chicken and mint dish here over cauliflower rice with green beans, pineapple. It's got everything in it. That's just super exciting. And then on top of that, I toasted some macadamia nuts. So the chicken is marinated in simply just lime juice and mint. And that's it. Just let it marinate for as long as you can. Overnight would be great so you can really get that mint flavor. And then I would recommend grilling it. My grill is not up yet, so I just had to turn the pan up on high and fry it to get some charring as best I can. I put it over a bed of cauliflower rice, which is simple. It's just a little bit of coconut oil, cilantro, and some salt. And then I roasted some green beans. And at the end of grilling, frying up this chicken, I went ahead and threw some pineapple in there to get the juices to fry up itself. Let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then I plated it up. All of these beautiful dishes. I can't wait to eat them. Super excited to eat these today. Amy is not here today. She is actually attending a memorial for a friend. But I'm just glad to be back, guys. I am. I'm excited. And I'm excited for all of us to just really tackle the fall. I love fall weather. It just gets me jazzed. And I can't wait to cook some chilies and all that great stuff. But I'm looking forward to it. Guys, let us know what you like. I hope you have a great weekend. And hey, be part of the community. We've got a new public page that we're trying to get started. The private page really limits us to reaching out to a lot of people. It was great to get us started with the private page. We got to move to a public business page. So take a look at that. That way we can impact more people, grow the community, and everybody can see what we're doing. And we can get more people just cooking healthy for themselves. All right, guys, take care and have a great week.